Yes. Now, Navish, I'm giving simple worksheet. Match it with small letter. Okay. This is mama letter and baby letter. Now start. Where is mama letter A? Where is baby letter A? Yes. Baby letter B. Where is C? Now go to C. Where is baby letter C? Yes. Good job. Where is D? Yes. This is अच्छे से करो. Yes. This is D. Baby letter D. Now where is E? Now look at me. Where is E? E. Here. E. Elephant. How many lines in E? Yes. 1, 2, 3. And where is baby letter E? Match it. Where is baby letter E? Yes. Match it. Up. Go up. Here. And where is F? Bitu, where is F? F. Where is F? F for fish. Look at me. Do it here. Where is F? And baby letter F. Where is F? Yes, this is F. Now come here. Where is... Now come up. First start from here. Where is G? Match from baby letter G. Yes, good job. Where is H? Match it from baby letter H. Where is H? Yes. Go up. No, beta. This is J. This one is H. Here. You will match up to down. Yes, good job. Now erase this mama letter I. This one. Go to I. Good job. Now where is J? Look at me. Show me. Where is J? J for jug. Yes, baby letter J and mama letter J is here. Match it. Good job. Where is K? Mama letter K and baby letter K is? Yes, match it. Good job. Where is L? This one. Match it from baby letter. And now Navish, tell me what you solve mama letter with. Look at me and speak. Mama letter and baby letter. Yes. Okay, now Navish will write what comes after. Now, which letter is this? Look at me. Here in notebook. Which letter is this?
A.
And what comes after A?
B.
Yes, this is B. Which letter is this?
C.
C. And what comes after C?
D.
D. Which letter is this?
A.
E.
E.
And what comes after E?
Elephant.
F. Which letter is this?
G.
G. What comes after G? It's
H.
what comes after G? बोलो एक बार. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G के बाद में
H.
G के बाद में H. Good job. This is which letter is this?
H.
I.
I.
What comes after I? It's
H.
what comes after G? H, I. Yes, J.
J.
Yes, this is which letter is this? Which letter is this?
K.
K. What comes after K? It's
L.
L. Good job. Now Navish will write here. Start. Get your pencil and write. What comes after A? It's B. First you make standing, then circle. Good job. Now, very good. Now it's C. What comes after C? It's D. You will write D here. Do it now. Standing. Make a big circle. Yes. Now it's E. E के बाद में F. I already written here. कोई बात नहीं. This is G. What comes after G? It's H. Make standing. H. H for house. H for hen. This is I. What comes I? It's J. Right here J. Standing and turn. The last one is K. After K is L. You will write L. Standing and slipping. Hold your pencil. Good job. Now what you do now? What comes after? Yes, this is look and write. There are some pictures. You will recognize the picture and then you will write alphabets. This is F. Good job. And what is this? What is this? This is apple. You will write A. Right here. Good job. Very good. Now this is tree and we will write T. Yes. And this is lollipop. And what will we write here? L. This is an ice cream. What will we write? I. Good job. This is cat. What will we write here? It's C. It's wrong. We will write C here. Where is eraser? Now you will write C. Make C. Acha duck. Yes, this is C. Now, what is this, Bitu?
This is anda.
Egg. It's egg.
Add.
We will write
Add.
E.
E.
Make standing.
E for
How many sleepings are there?
Five.
One,
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 two,
two,
3.
three.
Yes, good job. Lala, hold your pencil back. Here. Now this is D. Dot. And we will write D. Dot का क्या होगा? D.
D for
Make D. Yes.
D
Good
for
job. Dot.
dot.
D for dog भी होता है, dot भी होता है. Now this is
Ball.
ball. We will write
Ball.
B.
B.
Make standing. Circle, circle. Yes, B.
Party.
Lala, what is this? Jug.
Good.
We will write J. Right
J.
here, J. First you make sleeping, then standing and turn. Little turn. Good job. This is orange. You will
Orange.
make
Orange.
O.
O.
O is a circle. No, it's wrong. O is a circle.
Circle.
It's wrong. You will make circle. No, little circle. This is train. We will make the chain and make train. A, B. Yes. B go to C. C go to no. C go to D. E. This is F. E go to F. F go to G. Here. Now G go to H. H go to I. I go to J. First find it. Where is J? No, this is L. Here. Where is J? Here J. Go to J. Yes. After J, K. Yes. Now L. Now M. N. O. P. Good job.